morning, sun a shine bright, giving thanks to the Father, everything feel right. But life is not easy, challenges come. Every step you take, you feel the beat of the drum. We face the struggles, we go through the storm, but we stay steadfast. We keep the faith warm. From east to west, we trod on. With wisdom in my heart, my journey profound. On this journey, the road may be long. No matter how the journey so long, we have to be strong. Through the hills and the valleys, we keep moving on. On this journey, we must be strong. Now me pass through the city, hustle and flow. People a hustle, them a do what them know, but me keep me head high. My eyes on the prize with every setback. My rise no surprise, the rhythm of life, it a flow like a river. My heart a beat steady, can't afford to shiver. Though the road full of rugged, and sometimes me lost in the journey of life. Me pay my call. On this journey, the road may be long. No matter how the journey so long, we have to be strong. Through the hills and the valleys, we keep moving on. On this journey, we must be strong. From the first time I step, me know it a go tough, but me learn to embrace every moment. No bluffing at the struggle, me find me true self like diamonds in the rough. Me wealthy and well, me link up my brethren, together we shine. In the journey of life, unity is divine. Every lesson me learn, me treasure it right. With the power of Jah, me ready to fight. On this journey, the road may be long. No matter how the journey so long, we have to be strong. Through the hills and the valleys, we keep moving on. On this journey, we must be strong. Now the sun it a set, but my spirit it a climb. No matter the obstacles, me dance to the rhyme. With the joy in my heart, I spread love all around. In the journey together, true happiness found. Every step we take, it a bring we closer. Celebrating life, yeah, me tell her it's no poser. Through the highs and the lows, we keep holding on tight. With your light, we are shine on this journey. The road may be long. No matter how the journey so long, we have to be strong. Through the hills and the valleys, we keep moving on. On this journey, we must be strong. So sing it loud, let the world hear we song. In the struggle, together we belong. As we rise up, we stand, we conquer the fight. With love in our hearts, we are gonna unite. On this journey, the road may be long. No matter how the journey so long, we have to be strong. Through the hills and the valleys, we keep moving on. On this journey, we must be strong. So keep moving forward, no looking back now. With every step taken, we are make a vow. Together we rise like the sun in the sky. On this journey, my friends, it's do or die. On this journey.